Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing a recipe of easy pineapple dessert and reshmi chicken. Let's see how to make it. Let's begin with the dessert. It takes only 20 minutes to make but 3 to 4 hours to set in a refrigerator. Now in a pan, take some finely chopped pineapples, add half cup of sugar, lower the flame and caramelize the pineapple till the pineapple becomes soft and the sugar melts completely. Now turn off the heat, keep it aside and let it cool down. Don't burn the pineapples. Now in a cooking pot, take 1 cup of water, add agar-agar. If you crush the agar-agar in hand, it would be like 1/4 cup. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, boil and strain. Pour it in a plate and then add 1 tablespoon of a pineapple jelly. If you have a ready-made pineapple jelly mix, you can add that as well. But if you don't have, you have to make jelly this way. Mix and let it cool and then set it in a refrigerator for at least 20 minutes or until the jelly sets completely. Now take a separate mold and in a blender jar you have to mix 1.5 cup of a coconut milk, half cup of a coconut cream and 1 to 2 tablespoons of a condensed milk. Mix everything in a blender and pour it in a mold. And then we have to add the caramelized pineapple. Instead of coconut milk, you can use almond milk as well. As coconut milk and cream are already sweet, do check the sweetness before adding condensed milk. And then add accordingly as required. Mix everything together, keep it aside. Meanwhile, our jelly is completely set in the refrigerator. We'll cut it into small cubes. Don't skip adding jelly to the dessert as the pineapple jelly will give more flavor to the dessert. Now add all the diced jelly to the prepared stuff. I have made 2 plates of this jelly, so I am adding everything to it, and I have made this dessert from 1 whole medium sized pineapple. And this quantity of a dessert can be served for at least 10 to 15 members. Now mix everything together, cling wrap and set it in a refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours. The more hours it stays in a refrigerator, the more it gets better. And then after 3 to 4 hours, your easy pineapple dessert will be ready to be served. Before recording a final video, my family members have already finished half of it, so the other half I have recorded and added to the video. Now let's see how to make a delicious and spicy creamy chicken. First we will need 1 tablespoon of a crushed and not grinded ginger and garlic. We are going to prepare the marination now, so add 1 tablespoon of a crushed ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon of a green chili, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves and a half cup of a saffron infused milk. And now we will add a tablespoon of a red chili powder, garam masala and coriander and cumin powder, 1/4 cup of a soaked tamarind water, and now in a blender we need to make a paste of a slightly fried onions, 2 to 3 tablespoons of a sesame seed, 2 star anise, 3 to 4 cloves, little amount of a cinnamon, 2 to 3 cardamom and a little amount of cashews. So I have taken a roasted sesame seed and then you have to add a little amount of a water and mix everything in a blender jar. It will turn into a smooth paste. Add everything to the prepared marination. At the end, you have to make a thick marination. Don't make it watery. Mix everything together and then you have to add a pinch of a turmeric. Mix everything together, then add chicken and then mix again. And after this, you have to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a thick yogurt. Now we have to mix everything together again and then keep it aside and let the chicken absorb all the masalas for at least 1 to 2 hours. And then after 1 to 2 hours, turn on the flame and start cooking. At this point, only if you want to, you can add little amount of water. Close the lid and cook it in a very low flame. It will take only few minutes for the chicken to cook completely. And now your creamy chicken is done with the cooking. Now pour it in a desirable mold. Serve hot. Now just look at the beautiful creamy texture. It goes best with butter naan, but if you want to, you can have with roti or rice as well. And then you have to top it up with the cooking cream. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first one to watch it.